Hi, this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to talk about how to use a waffle maker. There's lots of different waffle makers on the market, and I've tried them all, and they all have their pros and cons, and they all have great things about them. This one has an on and off button and a light and a dial, and for a waffle I like to put it on about a 4 setting, and then it has a nice exterior, it browns up for a nice color. But the way you do this one is you plug it in and you shut it, and it will beep when it is time to put your battery in. And once it beeps, you want to open it up and you want to spray it with Pam. And then you want to put your batter in. And this one comes with this little bitty cup, so you get just enough batter. And I like to spread it around, help it a little bit so that it makes a pretty waffle. Then once you get your batter in, you shut it, latch it, and then turn it over. And it will beep when it's ready. Now that it's beeped, it's time to take our waffle out. You just turn it over and then you lift the lid and you've got a beautiful waffle. You got to be careful too when removing it. I like to remove it with just a fork so that you don't scratch your Teflon coating. But see, it just comes out real easy, and it's still nice and clean. And then you're just ready to make your next waffle. And this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and you just learned how to use a waffle maker.